random character generator in Python. So how this will work is basically, first of all we're going to do numbers and we're going to do letters and symbols. So first of all for numbers it's literally import random, yeah, and now done equals random dot randint, and let's just say 0 to 100, then print done. What that should do is it should print a random number. So perfect. Now we know that ASCII numbers have a equivalent, so obvious have a number equivalent, and there is also a way in Python of just converting ASCII numbers into other numbers. So obviously this goes to 122. So that's what we're going to do. So instead of the minimum of 0, we're going to have a minimum of 65, a maximum of 122. We run it. There we go. Nope. Not there we go. So now you're just getting random numbers between those spots. So now what you can do is v equals sure, and then done, then just v. And now what we should do is we should get a random character each time. So that is ridiculously easy for some weird reason. I feel like there is a better way of doing this. So say if we were to go from, what's the max ASCII character can you have? Like, I think it's 255. So Jesus, yeah, you can. What is it, 255? I think it might be 127 maybe. I strongly doubt it's 120. What's the max ASCII code? What's the max you can have in ASCII? What's the max you can have in ASCII? 128. Okay, wow. 128. And I'm going to assume those characters just don't show up for some reason. Oh, they do. Nope, they do. Just some of them don't for some reason. So you could also do this with functions, I guess. So you could theoretically just like define short A and B. Oh well, that was intentional. A or B, and then do the thing. And then instead of having a random number, you could just do this. You could try this. So you could ask for the user to dom equals int input the first number, and then dom2 equals int input the second number. So now you have two number inputs. So now you could theoretically run this as vol equals max. Sure, let's just do dom and dom2. So what this will do is it'll pass these two as through here, and we'll make them A and B. So we'll do random numbers between that, and then that will return v instead of print v. Return v, and then what we want you to do is we want you to print vol. Perfect. So run it, and the first number, let's just say 65, and the second number 100, and it works. So I feel like we need some validation in this as well. So let's just say if dom is less than 64, no, less than 65, and then print idiot. Else if, well, if it's not less than 65, so if dom2 is bigger than 122, print idiot. Else Okay, I feel like I have F something. Else if invalid syntax is meant to be, swear it's not meant to be one word. Give us a second. Figured out why. It's because it's not elif, it's else if. Well, it's not else if, it's elif. So say the first number is 32, second number is nice. But it says 66, and that number is 120. Perfect, it works. So that's how you make a random character and number a random character generator in Python.